Today I'm going to show you how to make seed paper gift tags. First, you need to source some paper. You can use plain white paper if you'd like, or if you'd like to be a little bit more sustainable, you can use newspapers or flyers like I'm using here. One thing to be mindful of though is that any ink on the paper will influence the final color of your paper. So if you're going for a white look at the end, make sure to use white paper. Cut your paper into small pieces and put them into a bowl with water to soak for a few minutes, and then you're going to use a blender. I'm using an immersion blender here because that's just what I had on hand, and then you're basically going to turn those pieces of paper into a paste. Once your paste is a consistent texture, you're going to transfer it to a tub that has even more water in it. Make sure to give it a good stir. Now you want to grab the seeds that you're going to use. I recommend using seeds that are small in size so that they stick in your paper and don't fall off once the paper is dried. So here I have calendula, ornamental onion seeds, pansies, and poppy seeds. And you just want to throw them into your paper paste mixture and give it a little stir. Next, you want to grab your screen. This screen here is a splatter protector that I bought from the dollar store, but you can also use a wooden frame that has a screen in it. Essentially, you just want something that's going to be able to catch your paper paste and let the water drain out. Try to let as much water drip off as you can, and then you are going to flip it over onto a towel and let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours. And here's just another example of me doing another piece of paper. You want to make sure that you collect as many of those seeds as you can. You can kind of see them floating around on the top of my bucket there. So just make sure that you get as many onto your screen as possible. When you flip your paper over onto the towel, it really does help if you push on the screen to kind of help squeeze out as much of the water as you can. It'll speed up the drying process so you don't have to wait like a week before your paper dries. Once your paper has dried for 24 to 48 hours, you can cut it into any shape that you'd like. I'm using this paper as gift tags for Christmas, so I'm cutting them into tag shapes. And as you can see here, I'm decorating these ones quite festively, but you can decorate them however you'd like. If you want to use them for baby showers or birthdays, Christmas, you name it, you can decorate them however you'd like to. And of course, when you're ready to plant them, all you have to do is put the entire piece of paper onto some soil, give it a good water, and your flowers should grow. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.